Hey, welcome to the video, and in this video we'll solve few algebra questions from ACT test, and I have timed these questions to 45 seconds, although you will get 1 minute to solve these questions in the actual test. By solving these questions you will learn the basics of algebra and how to approach these questions, and this will lay a foundation to solve complex problems as well. So this will be really helpful, and I hope that you will like the video. After each question I will explain how you solve these type of questions, and you will get the timestamps in the description so that you can jump through the questions and solve them. Okay, let's solve this question. What is the complete factorization of the expression x squared minus 16? So let us try to factorize 16 here. So x squared minus, we know that 16 is 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 4 square. So if we can replace 16 by 4 square. So this is in the form a squared minus b squared. Whenever you see these type of expression, you can just expand it to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is a kind of a formula that you should remember to solve these kind of algebraic expressions, and according to this we can expand x squared minus 4 squared to x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. So this is the answer to this question, which means that the option C is the correct answer.